In this video, we'll show you how to change the tail light bulbs on your Chevy Silverado. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Chevrolet Silverado Car Battery. Open the tailgate. To detach the taillight assembly from the vehicle body, remove the 2 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. To increase the lifespan of the bulbs, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. You can now extract the taillight from its slot. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. To remove the light bulb sockets, turn them counterclockwise and pull them out. To remove the 3157 brake tail light turn signal bulb, simply pull on it. You can order the bulbs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bulb. Put the new light bulb in the socket. To remove the 3157 reverse light bulb, just pull on it. Take the new bulb. To reassemble, repeat the process but in reverse. To remove the second 3157 brake tail light turn signal bulb, simply pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new light bulb in the socket. Put the sockets into the taillight housing and turn them clockwise to lock them in place. The light is held in place by studs encased directly in the car body. Put the light back in. Screw the 2 holding screws back in. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.